This is not what you are ready for. Ripple's price could go through the roof and reach $200 in no time. Even though it sounds crazy, it's happening. This is all because Coinbase, the biggest cryptocurrency market in the world, is supporting Ripple in its case against the SEC. A lot of people don't understand how big this event was, but this movie will show you this is the best sign ever for going up. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. So, XRP after Bitcoin, Ripple was once the second most valuable cryptocurrency. However, its journey has been rough because of its long legal fight with the Securities and Exchange Commission. But recent events, such as possible changes in SEC leadership and a new political climate, point to a better future for XRP. When Ripple's court battle meets the rising power of crypto-friendly leaders like Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong and even former President Donald Trump, it could be a turning point in the way XRP is regulated and traded. Recently, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, talked about how regulatory moves have had a huge effect on XRP's market position. In a video that went viral, he talked about how before the SEC got involved with crypto, XRP was the second most valuable cryptocurrency, just behind Ethereum. The 2020 SEC lawsuit says that Ripple sold securities without being registered, which slowed the growth of XRP and hurt investor trust. Garlinghouse has said that the SEC's way of doing things is wrong, saying that this is not how our government should work, and that the agency is unfairly picking winners and losers in the Bitcoin market. The SEC's moves under its current chair, Gary Gensler, have been criticized by many people, not just those in the Ripple community. Trump's latest actions, on the other hand, could change the way regulations are made. Trump has promised to fire Gensler on his first day in office and set up an advisory board for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Together, these statements and his recent meeting with Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, show that crypto regulation might get better under Trump's leadership. Especially interesting is the meeting between Trump and Armstrong. Armstrong has said in public that SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce, who is known as Crypto Mom for her support of the crypto business, is the best person to lead the SEC. If Peirce or another crypto-friendly appointee takes over, the government could make things a lot better for Ripple and the cryptocurrency business as a whole. Armstrong's company, Coinbase, gave more than $100 million to political action committees during the last election cycle. This shows that the crypto business has more and more power to change policy. Trump is involved in the crypto space in more ways than just talking about policy. Brett recently sent out a tweet about the news that Trump is reportedly buying back to a cryptocurrency exchange that only offers 16 coins, including XRP. It said in the tweet that Trump was buying back to cryptocurrency market with only 16 coins. Also, guess what? One of them is XRP. Trump and XRP. The SEC report just went down. This possible agreement between Trump and XRP is making people who support Ripple hopeful that the cryptocurrency could become popular again. The market has already changed because of the chance of a new head at the SEC. When news spread that Gensler was stepping down, the price of XRP went up by 20%, showing that investors were eager for less government regulation. Many people in the cryptocurrency world think that XRP could once again beat Ethereum if regulators were more fair. Getting back to being the market leader. If we're talking about events that changed the game, XRP's recent wins have already sent shockwaves through the market. What if I told you this was just the start? The rise in prices we've seen so far? It's not even close to what experts think will happen. The future of XRP looks like it will be bigger, riskier, and more powerful than anyone thought possible. I promise you that you won't want to miss what's next. So people are getting more and more excited about XRP thanks to bold statements and enthusiastic support from the crypto community. Recently, famous analyst Javon Mark sparked a lot of talk when he said that XRP could go up by over 30,000% and hit an amazing $200. Mark's analysis depends on XRP breaking out of a 6-year pennant pattern. This is a rare technical pattern that means the price could grow very quickly. His tweet, "XRP has broken out of the 6-year pennant pattern," got a lot of attention. If you can hold on to this break in a full logarithmic follow-through, XRP prices could go up to $200. The breakout is shown in Mark's chart below, which also stresses the importance of a logarithmic follow-through, which means long-term exponential growth after a pattern breakout. In the past, pennant formations that appear after a strong price move and are then followed by consolidation have shown that the previous trend will continue after a breakout. This could lead to a meteoric rise to uncharted land for XRP. People in the community have been very excited about Mark's prediction, with tweets like "Leave a like if you hold XRP until $100 and beyond." CryptoGeek and Jack the Rippler have made people feel even better. Going even further, Jack the Rippler boldly said, XRP will make you a multimillionaire. People who like XRP are becoming more and more sure that the token is headed for great things. But is $200 really possible? Some people are skeptical because of how big of an assessment it would be. At $200, XRP's market value would be more than $10 trillion, which is more than all the cryptocurrencies put together right now. This may not seem likely, but Marx's analysis, which is based on past patterns and market trends, makes a strong case for why it could happen. This kind of hope has happened before. People in the XRP world are used to big price predictions. The famous $589 prophecy, which Aminix brought up in a tweet, is still a hot topic of discussion. Also, XRP Avengers started a conversation when they suggested a $100 gold dollar, saying that it would raise XRP's market cap to $5.2 trillion if $52 billion tokens were in circulation. These numbers show how big changes need to happen in the market for these statements to come true. Some estimates, like $200 or even $10,000, may seem crazy, but they show how excited and confident the XRP community is. The technical foundations for a huge rise are in place, as Javon Marx's research shows. Now, the question is whether the fundamental and regulatory environment will be right for this idea to come true. The road ahead for people who own XRP looks exciting and uncertain, and the whales could not ignore such a bullish sign. In fact, they've been quietly buying up hundreds of millions of XRP coins behind the scenes. But here's the catch: you can't even begin to understand how important this move is. With their huge reserves and smart moves, these whales have the power to send the price of XRP through the roof, possibly even above the unimaginable $200 mark. Wait a minute, because the results will blow your mind. In the world of cryptocurrencies, there are times when whale behavior is more important than market trends or price charts. It's the same with what's going with XRP right now. An amazing piece of information was recently shared by Armando Pantoja, a famous crypto expert. There are 453 million XRP tokens owned by whales that were acquired in just 1 week. It's hard to believe that $526 million worth of tokens are being taken behind the scenes. That spike isn't just a fluke. This is the most money that big investors have put together in almost 3 years. So why does this matter? Well, purchases by whales of this size don't happen by accident very often. In fact, when big people like these start buying up huge amounts of a token, it could mean that something big is about to happen. Most of the time, this happens before big price jumps because these buyers have the power to move the market in big ways. Pantoja said that they know what most people don't want to believe, that something big is about to happen. He's right to raise a question. Whales are probably getting ready for the next big rise in the price of XRP, because they are so sure of it. The idea that whales buying up a lot of a product is known to make less of it available on exchanges. In turn, this makes it harder to get, which can raise demand and eventually the price. Since there are fewer XRP tokens for sale, the price of XRP may go up as more people try to protect their stocks. Supply and desire are what make things work. And it's clear that whales are betting on the second right now. But here's the thing. This group of whales isn't just buying because they think XRP will live. People who buy XRP do so because they think it's about to become something bigger. Large whale movements have been followed by big price jumps in the past. From what we know about the past, this recent rise in whale behavior could be setting the stage for a big price rise. These whales may be able to push the price of XRP way above what anyone thought was possible if they keep buying so much of it. Some experts have even suggested that they could hit $200 or even higher. This kind of buildup isn't just a whisper in the wind. There is no doubt that this means smart money is getting ready for a coming rise. Also, we can't forget about the game-changing partnerships that XRP Ripple has been getting lately. It's no wonder that some of the biggest banks in the world are getting on board when the future looks so good.